Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the dreaded HP printer error code 58.04 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error often signals a hardware issue, like problems with the fuser unit or power supply, but the good news is that many users can fix it with some simple troubleshooting. I'm going to guide you through the steps to get your printer back up and running quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, always start with the basics. Turn off your HP printer. Unplug it from the power source, and wait for about 60 seconds. This gives the device a chance to reset and clear any temporary glitches. Once the time is up, plug it back in and turn it on. Has the error disappeared? If not, let's move on. Next, check for any physical obstructions. Open up the printer and look for paper jams or stuck media. Gently remove any jammed paper, being careful not to tear it or damage the rollers. Also, ensure that all doors and covers are securely closed. Sometimes, a loose cover can trigger this error. Now, let's address potential software issues. Make sure your printer drivers are up to date. Head over to the HP website, download the latest drivers for your 2025 model, and install them on your computer. If you're using a wireless printer, verify that it's connected to your network properly. If that doesn't work, try performing a factory reset. This will erase any custom settings, so note them down first. On most HP printers, you can do this by holding down the wireless and cancel buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Remember, this is a more advanced step, so proceed with caution. In some cases, error code 58.04 might indicate a deeper hardware problem, like a faulty fuser or power supply. If none of these steps help, it's time to contact HP support or take your printer to a certified technician. They can diagnose and fix any internal issues. There you have it, straightforward solutions to tackle error code 58.04. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Print away, and happy troubleshooting.